Hi everyone, I'm Pragnya Ayagari, Liva Miss Diva Supranational 2022, and today I'm at the day one of Hyderabad Times Fashion Week as a showstopper. I'm in love with the garment and the jewelry. It's happening for another day, and this has been a very lovely experience. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Yeah, I'm excited to be part of Hyderabad Fashion Week, Hyderabad Times Fashion Week, and definitely there is an influence of on Hyderabad market with this show, and I'm happy. My showstopper is Pragnya Ayangari, and
Thank you.
she's too young and she won pageants.
Thank you, very kind of you.
Thank
I'm
you.
in love with the design. Look at the sari, I mean, especially the jewelry too. She is the jewelry designer.
I'm Meghna Talsala from Meghna Jewelers. I'm super excited doing this. I felt so great, and I don't have words because this is my first time. So I'm very happy that Times has done first time in Hyderabad. Very happy. And thank you to Pragnya Ayangari as my showstopper.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
My collection is Rupini. It's about all the brides. The brides which are which are obtaining or aspire to drape in Kanjivaram pattus. They always they want something uniqueness. So this collection definitely do the justice.